Hello friends, today we are doing new topic which is known as absolute value. As you know, a nearby one station and it has to your left side also station and the second side also station. So if you go from the present station to the other station, you cannot say direction. You have to take the absolute value, and that's why we have this concept as absolute value. So let us begin with this part. If a real number indicates distance from origin on the number line, then it is absolute value of the distance. As I said, when you are standing on one station, that will be origin, and either you'll go to your left side or to the right side. So that distance will be shown exactly with the value, not with the direction. That is why absolute value comes in a picture. The same thing can be said as if x is a real number, then absolute value of x is its distance from 0 on number line. You have seen on number line we have negative, that is left side may negative numbers and the right side positive number. But when we find out distance between the point, which may be from the negative side to the positive side or negative side to negative side, you get distance in a positive. That's where absolute value comes, where we do not see the direction, only we see the value. Clear? So let us move and further other part of it. How do we write down? Which is written as modulus of x. Yeah, mode of x we say. How do we read it? We read it, mode of x is written as absolute value of x, or we say modulus of x is x. Now let us see its some property which will help us to understand more. So 1, if the value of x is greater than 0, that means all the positives are, then what will be the modulus of x? That will be remain positive x only. That is why we say if x is positive, then the absolute value of x is x only. Other condition, if x equals to 0, then the value modulus of x also will be 0 only. So how do we read it? If x is 0, then the absolute value of x is also 0. Now one more condition is left. If x is less than 0, then what will happen? The modulus of that x, which is minus x. Clear? But it should be positive. Why? That you see. If x is a negative, then the absolute value is opposite of x. So what will be negative x ka opposite? It will be positive x. That is why it will be plus x. Clear? Let us go for the operation, how it take place. Also they have said the absolute value of any real number is never negative. So that's why the modulus of x for x is less than 0 is also plus x. Let us see the operation on absolute value. First one, find the value of modulus of 15 minus 5. So we will first simplify inside the modulus only. So what I'll get? Modulus of 15 minus 5 will be equals to modulus of 10. And as you know, plus of 10 is always 10. Therefore, the value of modulus of 15 minus 5 is 10. Let us see one more example. What will be the value of modulus of 15 minus 25? Again, we will follow. So modulus of minus 10 we have got when I subtract 25 from 15, I will get minus 10. But how we will write down that? Equals to modulus of minus 10. And when this number will come out from the modulus sign, automatically it will become plus 10. Clear? Is it clear the concept? Let us see one more example. Find the value of 15, modulus of 15 into modulus of minus 10. Again we will simplify first modulus part. So 10 into 15 into plus 10 minus 10, when it comes out from the modulus it becomes plus. So 15 into 10, which will give you answer as 150. Modulus of 15 multiplied by modulus of minus 10 will be equals to 150. Let us see next example. We have here, find the value of modulus of 15 minus modulus of minus 10. Again we will first simplify modulus. What I'll get? 15, because positive of modulus will be positive only. This minus sign which is given between the two modulus will come as it is, but modulus of minus 10, as you know, it becomes plus, so it is plus 10. So plus into minus will become minus here. Okay, so you will get the value of modulus of 15 minus modulus of minus 10 will be 5. Let us see one more. Minus 15 modulus of minus 15 plus modulus of minus 10. The individual modulus number is given and in the middle they want plus. So as you know, we will simplify first modulus. So 15 plus 10. This plus sign is the operator between the two modulus. Therefore 15 plus 10. Why? Because from modulus sign, if any number comes out, it becomes plus. Therefore the value of modulus of minus 15 plus the modulus of minus 10 is 25. Let us see what happens in division. So here we have minus modulus of minus 15 divided by modulus of minus 10. That means we have to remove first from the modulus. So I will get 15 divided by 10. I think now the concept is more clear. When I write this in a fraction form, I write in the 15 upon 10. As you know the cancellation, 5 2 times, 5 3 times. Therefore, we will get value equals to 3 upon 2. Clear? I hope it is clear concept.